Alright, hey guys. You know who it is. Just in case you can't think I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you. Every single second of the day. Every single second of the day. Okay, now, I'm gonna make this. These are hot and spicy noodles. So, what you're first gonna want to do, like everyone does. See, I don't really know where it's actually placed. You see this little tip right here. You just go like, I don't care if you yank it off. Just make sure that this stuff doesn't go swing. Take chili sauce. Take everything. If you don't like vegetables, throw this away. I'm gonna throw it away because trash. You go in the garbage. Vegetables. Hey, obviously, but okay, you don't have to say you go to the garbage when you throw it out. It's just funny. Nissin. I don't get why Nissin's a thing. It's just chili. It's chili sauce. Alright, so first thing you want to do. If you have this at home, this is just the way I do it, but you can use the stove and use like a pot. You cannot use plastic though. You can only use glass and like actual pots. Parents, if you're watching this, you can show it your kids with the pots I'm talking about. First thing, so you don't do. So first thing, you put water in it. And there's like ashes and stuff in there, like random stuff in there. There would never be ashes. Make sure you get everything out first, and then just fill it to like, I don't really care. You can fill it to wherever you want to. I'll just bring this out and go. Oh no! Oh no! You want to clean that, but with what? I don't know. Never do that. It's just what I do. That's the first time I ever made a mess, actually. Get rid of the water out of that. Put it like this. Make sure it links like that. So all the water gets in there. This will start making the water hot. Oh, but what? What? Oh, no! That is not supposed to happen. Well, it's fine. It's just because it's hot. That never really happens. So, wait for it. Now, unfortunately, I'm recording. It's because I have a tablet, so I'm pressing record on YouTube. So you're gonna have to watch the entire thing. Unfortunately, I'm very sorry. I didn't make it separate parts either. So yeah. It's close to almost done, by the way. It's almost there. So when it gets to like this little line right here, then you can stop it, but it's not there yet. And then you just not enough. What if I just do this? What if I just do that? Hold on. Oh no. No, you're supposed to. Okay. Makes a lot of sense. That's gonna start working. I'm gonna make this next time, but it'll be the same process as the other one. Okay, I'll be right back.
Granny say hi.
Yeah, yeah.
Granny say hi. Says my mama. Mama. Yeah. Hey, what do you want to be? See, love you. You say hi. You say hi.
Look, try not to laugh. You're gonna laugh at some of these. Guess you can let it go above. Let me tell you about what happened today on Roblox.
You want to cook something for you, you know? How about you for yourself?
Oh, I'm fine.
Be careful.
Oh, I'm A-okay. Alright. I'm watching core retention, by the way. So you just let it sit for a bit. Can we just okay? This is gonna be like a 10-minute video. That's fine. You can skip it, but I just recommend that you wait a little bit so you can watch how long it takes. You only need to do it 2 times. If you like let it go like over, it don't really matter. Just don't put too much to where it gets like to like all the way to the top, to overflowing. So let me show you that to make it faster. Like when it gets bitter enough. Joel?
What are you cooking? Ah, I'm sorry.
Probably check in there.
Fork?
That's it. That's a sport.
Oh my god. You're dropping it.
It's fine.
I'm dropping it.
Right here. Clean this.
Am I clean? Yes, sir. Okay, pick it up, your stuff in there. Pick it up. Put it up.
I got some new headphones, but it's not gonna work it's not gonna work for a phone or tablet. It's because some people it's like, huh? Fix your microphone. That's like other times in my life.
I have you.
So anyway, what was happening today on Roblox was...
What happened today?
On
You
Roblox?
good, baby.
Oh.
You got a mustache. Close
I ain't gonna be
to.
able to see it, but...
Ain't got.
Like how you get your
That's clean.
mustache.
It's clean. I swear
Perfect.
to God, it's clean. Oh,
What? That's not even... Oh, you cleaned it? You wiped it off?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good job.
Mijo, I got money. I can buy pizza, whatever you want. Oh, not it's late. Get tomorrow, okay? Like when I go outside in the water, it's late.
Now watch this.
I'm watching it.
First, talking to people. I'm talking to... It's not really people.
Granny say hi. My mama say hi. Mama's still alive. It's 17 years old, mijo.
70?
17.
17.
Yeah, almost 80. I'm 80, almost 80 years old.
If she was almost 80 years old, she would have been like 79.
There's 79, yeah.
17 means she's a teenager.
You say love you. You know my mother? How think you see my mother? You see my mother?
Oh yeah, to that place when I see
little old girl like this, little wee. You say love you. It's okay now. If he's coming here, while ago. Why you wanna come in Texas? You got papers. You got papers and everything. And say he love you. Take care of yourself.
God. Somebody's help me with this.
I don't know, amigo. I don't touch him though. Telling you, sit down.
Bread on the flow.
Well, be careful. You know Grandpa will stay, be careful. What's
That's so
tomorrow?
disgusting.
Tomorrow's Grandpa's birthday. Oh my God. Can I have a present? You know my present? You. I want you being here when I come home. It's my best present.
You will. You will.
Okay, thank you. Son las one. You are one. Mama Jennifer and you. It's my best birthday. Be careful.
Alright, 11 minutes. But subscribe to SHL2YT, and I got many other channels. This is just SHL2YT at home, so bye.